how to get and use YesStyle points in YesStyle. So the first thing you want to do is that sign up for an account will give 50 points, and if you complete your profile that will give you 100 more points. So 100 points equivalent to $1. So 1 point is 1 cent. The next way is that we can earn the point by through referring a friend. We get a percentage for doing so. Another way is downloading the app. YesStyle do will give us 50 points upon downloading the app and sign in. And if we share our birthday month, if our month has gone past during the year in which we are in it, it will earn us 50 more additional points. You can also use the reviews method, and this will earn up to 50 points per review. The first review will earn you around 200 points, and then after that they will vary from 100 to 50 and so on. The main way but we can use the get points this app is through the buying products. This will give us the most points. So yeah, that is the way then we can obtain these points. If we want to use these points when we are about to buy a product, then you will see an option here. It will say apply your YesStyle points. It will click on that and you notice the product changes its price. So yeah, that's how you can get and use the YesStyle points on YesStyle. And I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.